Good afternoon, children. So this is second video related to giving you guidance for the Diwali homework. This is English Fairy Model Test Paper, Section B. We'll be discussing question number 4. Okay, question number 4 has two options. The first option is complete the story in 150 to 200 words. ये स्टोरी के 2 लाइनें आपको आगे फिनिश करना है. So I read the newspaper once again. I really couldn't believe my eyes. The advertisement read, "Young author takes the city by storm." And there was my long lost friend Neha smiling at the camera. I picked up the phone. So कहानी का इतना पोर्शन से आपको क्या पता चलता है कि जो नरेटर है यानी कि आप खुद, क्योंकि नाउ यू आर राइटिंग द स्टोरी, आपने देखा कि योर फ्रेंड नेहा, लॉन्ग लॉस्ट फ्रेंड यानी कि पुरानी फ्रेंड है, अभी आप उससे बहुत टच में नहीं हो. शी young author takes the city by storm and she is there smiling at the camera. That means नेहा is a very famous author now और उसका आर्टिकल जो आया है वो न्यूज़पेपर में आया है. ओके, तो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी सो फार. अब नाउ यू आर पिकिंग अप द फोन यानी कि अब आप नेहा से बात करते हो. ओके, सो ये स्टोरी इस एंगल में जाती है. आपको यू कैन टेक सम अदर एंगल टू द स्टोरी. आई पिक्ड अप द फोन, आप नेहा को कॉल करने के बजाय आप किसी और को भी कॉल कर रहे हो और उसके आगे आप अपनी स्टोरी डेवलप करो. सो दिस इज कंप्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन योर इमेजिनेशन हाउ यू टेक अप द स्टोरी. ओके, I will share my imagination and I'll just give you the basic hints. Okay, so I picked up the phone. I'm calling Neha. Now, hi Neha. Then I'll tell this is Preeti, your friend. Remember you can write we were classmates in which class or in which school. We were college mates. We were there in BSc together or we were in MSc together, whatever. Or if you can also refer to Neha as someone who worked with you in some particular office where you worked. Okay, इस तरह से आप अपना imagination कर सकते हो. I am pleasantly surprised that you are become an author, you are writing stories. Then you can discuss कि आप अभी नेहा कौन सी सिटी में और आप कौन सी सिटी में हो. You can be in different cities or you can be in same city. You can tell more about yourself, that you are in this place, this is your career, this is your profession, and you are living in this city and you just read about her in the newspaper, something like that. You can tell more about yourself. Then you can ask Neha more about herself. How did she started her writing career, what are the stories, what are the books that she has written, and her struggle and hard work into writing the books. So these two you can give 4-5 sentences each. Then you can discuss about your personal life, like common friends. If you are a girl, boy, whatever, you must be having some common friends. So नेहा और आपके जो भी कॉमन फ्रेंड्स हैं उनके बारे में कुछ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. आप दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं तो आप अपने अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. वेयर आर दे, हाउ आर दे, योर मैरिटल स्टेटस. बिकॉज ये लेटर देख के ऐसे ही लग रहा है कि 2 एडल्ट्स हैं. नेहा इज़ अ राइटर, दैट मीन्स शी इज़ एन एडल्ट. ओके, सो तो आप भी एडल्ट हो तो आप अपने मैरिटल स्टेटस डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि वेदर यू आर मैरिड और नॉट, यू आर हैविंग किड्स एंड हाउ मेनी किड्स. सो in this way you have to imagine, and then in the end you can discuss that yes, we should meet somewhere. You can set up a date, time and place, etc. to meet Neha. In this way you can finish your phone call. So this is a phone call. Okay, so this finishes the first option. Now second option is a photo, and on the basis of photo you have to develop a story. Discuss a short story in 150 words based on the given visual. Based on this, अब इसमें क्या लग रहा है कि एक गवर्नमेंट प्राइमरी स्कूल है जिसमें सब एज ग्रुप के बच्चे बैठे हैं और वो पढ़ रहे हैं. It appears that it's a very low income school because बच्चे नीचे बैठे हैं and they are not in proper uniform. It also appears that there is very poor lighting in the room. So according to my imagination I will write. You also can have something of your imagination based on the photo. फोटो के बेसिस पे एक आपको स्टोरी डेवलप करनी है. सो मैंने ये फ़ोटो डेवलप स्टोरी की है कि जो ये फ़ोटो देख रहा है, he is someone who went to his village in the summer vacation. So this is how my story starts. I went to my village near, you can specify the place, कौन से place में आप गुजरात में summer vacation में गए. So I was really horrified to see the situation in government school in villages. You can give more details. There was no furniture. There were combined classes, poor ventilation and lighting in the classrooms. There were no sports or extracurricular activities. Mixed age group, yani suppose 5-year student and 12-year student all will sit together. There was also lack of competent faculty. That means there were no good teachers, or the teachers were absent. The absenteeism of students as well as teachers in the school. Absolute lack of motivation by the teachers. Students, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में देयर इज अ सिचुएशन दैट चिल्ड्रन कम फॉर मिड डे मील मतलब दोपहर में उनको खाना मिलता है, तो कई बार बच्चे इसी के लिए ही आते हैं, बिकॉज दे कम फ्रॉम वेरी पुअर बैकग्राउंड्स. There were unhygienic conditions in the food prepared in the midday meal. So all these things you can discuss. Of course, you can give your own ideas also, and then you can end that. You give the ending paragraph that you were really upset with all this, and you spoke to your father about it. So his father said, "Let's go and meet the sarpanch and the education officer of that village, and then you could find out some solution." Okay, this is how your story will be. There you can give a positive ending to the story, that yes, they met the education officer and he said that we are going to improve the situation in our school, or you got to meet a affluent businessman in the village who could give some donation to the school, something like that. You can give ending to your letter. So students, main writing section I have given you guidance. I hope you will be able to finish your work with the help of this, and all other homeworks also you have to finish promptly. I am sure most of you would have finished by this time. Thank you.